Lucas.
What up, YouTube, man? We here back with another car review video on my 2019 Dodge Charger. What we're gonna be doing today is, before I take all the mods off my car, cause I'm about to come brand new. I'm about to just take everything off and start fresh. I'm gonna give you guys my idea of what I want to do at the end of this video. But for right now, before I take everything off, I want to give you guys an overview of everything, all the mods that I've done to my car since I've had it. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, first and foremost, I'm gonna start off with the outside of the car. Don't mind the dirt, man. Performance wise, I haven't really done anything performance wise to this car, not unless changing, doing the resonator delete and changing the mufflers has to do with performance. I didn't really see a difference like that, but yeah, that's the only thing. Very first thing I did to my car was tint the windows. Tint the windows, that was a must. I got all four sides tinted. The back tinted, I believe I got it 30%? 30%, I think it was 30%, or 25%, some 25 in the back or something, or 30%. You can see through this a little better, and this is darker. So, and then when I got this, you have to get the strip, man. Make sure you get this strip. You need the strip on the top. So I got that, and the cost of that was around 300 bucks. 300 bucks. Then after that, the next mod I did was the tints on the side markers, side marker tints. I picked them up off of Amazon, get them off Amazon. Did the side marker tints and the tail light tints. Tail light tints on here. Did those tints. And then the next thing after that was the D badge. So I got rid of the Dodge, and I have a GT. For everybody who don't know, I have a GT, so I took the GT off. I still want to keep the Charger because I want the plastic dip this black. But now I'm thinking about trying to see if I can get that adhesive stuff and put the GT back on and just plastic dip both of them black, or I might just get rid of everything altogether. I don't know, it's up in the air. I don't know, I'm up and down about it. But anyway, yeah, so I debadged that, and the next thing I did was the mufflers and the resonator delete. So I went to the shop. I actually researched a lot because I wanted it to sound a little more deeper. I wanted a deeper, more aggressive pitch with my car. So I researched and saw that Super 10s might work good with these cars. So I went and got the Super 10s. I bought the Super 10s from the muffler shop and had them put them on. I wish I could show you guys underneath here what it looks like. Let me see if I can get a view of it. But yeah, they're right there. That's one. And that's the other. right there. This man's got the lid down there. I don't know, you can't really see it, but yeah, so I got that done. I like the sound a little bit, man, but it's like it's too loud, man. And then the drone inside the car is crazy, so I think I'm just gonna change it back, man. Like I might just change it back. Then when I got that done, I got bigger tips. Got these little chrome tips. They were smaller than this, so look a little better. Okay. Then the next mod I got done was, I'm trying to remember, y'all. The bumper and grill, all that, to the Hellcat version or whatever. So I got that done. I got this bumper and grill and stuff off of eBay. I think it was around 400 something, 300 something like that. So I got that. It came matte black. I got it painted because I had liked the snorkels and stuff like that, but it didn't come on my model, so I wanted that. So I just got the bumper and converted it over. And when I got the bumper painted, I got these painted also. And these right here I got off of eBay also. They're like 3M, low-key, they're like 3M. So I got the bumper and those at the same time. So I did that, got it painted, and it looked pretty good to me. My theme was blue and yellow. I'm a Warriors fan, man. I'm a Golden State Warriors fan. I'm from Oakland, California, so like it was only right. I love the colors. I love yellow and blue. So yeah, and I'm thinking about oh shit, it was a bee. I'm about to take these off. I know a lot of people been talking about these banana things, but I'm about to take those off. It do fuck up your paint. It does fuck up the paint. If you can see that, it does fuck up the paint, man. It does fuck it up. So my advice to anybody that gets a brand new one and that had those on there, to just take them off, man. Just take them off, because it does fuck up the paint. Next, after I did that, we get into the vinyl, the wrap that I put on here. I wanted originally to get all that wrap, and I wanted to get this wrap too. So the wrap that I went with was Shadow 3M Shadow Black, and I think this is dope, man. This shit is nice. I like the way it reflects. Like that. It's nice. I did it myself, man. I just bought a heat gun for like $30 off Amazon, and I did it myself. It was pretty easy. The door handles, that I did these. That shit look fucking nice. I did this. This shit was easy, man. This shit is fucking easy. But this, no. Y'all need to get this shit professionally done, because I fucked up on this and I didn't even took it off yet. But this is gonna be coming off. Look, y'all can see it right there. Like, that shit is hard. I think you're supposed to do this in two pieces. I tried to do it in one, and I fucked this up big time. But you can't really tell. You have to like really get up on it to like really see the imperfections in that. But yeah, I'll show you the other side too. My license plate, I have to block that out. But yeah, you can see the imperfections on this one also, but you can't really tell like that unless you get really up on it. But yeah, so I did that, and I also added my YouTube channel vinyl on there, and my Instagram vinyl on there. Another thing I did was get bigger tires. I got 275s on here. Little chunky things. Put those on there. And then I did the diffuser. Matter of fact, let me get to the vinyls. They're the vinyls. I custom make these vinyls, so if anybody want vinyls done, man, just hit me up, message me, or DM me at my Instagram, or message me on YouTube, and I can make custom vinyls for you if you want them for your car. Me and my wife do vinyls, and that's a whole nother thing I'll let you guys know about at the end of the video. But yeah, I got these two. I ordered these. My daughter put these on for me. I ordered these off eBay. Just threw them on there. Just threw them on there. But, and oh yeah, also I forgot this vinyl too. I put the vinyl down here. So I have that 3M Black Shadow vinyl down there also. Excuse the bugs and stuff, y'all. Now let me take you to the back to the diffuser. Okay, I put that diffuser on. I got the diffuser for like 60 bucks off eBay, man. It's not a lot, but I like the way it looks. And then I bought this for a few dollars on eBay. Looks good at nighttime, and you got your tail lights lit up. So I think that pretty much covers the whole exterior of the car. Now let's get into the inside. As you guys can see, when you first notice, I have the yellow trim. That's 99-cent mod trim. Get it off eBay. Different colors. I went with the yellow, of course, y'all know. Also, I put vinyl on this too, just to give it that little look, man, a little offset look from the outside and the inside. I also put vinyl on here. Put that on there. Got the yellow up there also going around. Got these off eBay. Got this off eBay. All this stuff is cheap mods, man. They don't cost a lot to put this on your car. But yeah, put them on all the doors. I can see on the back too. So yeah, these are the inside mods. I don't really have a lot, but that's pretty much it. And you can't see it right now, but I did put the puddle lights in there, just regular Charger puddle lights. I did put the puddle lights in there. And basically, folks, that's it. That's it for the mods on this car, man. That's all I've done. Not a lot. It did cost me, I think the most expensive thing that I paid for was the bumper. That was the most expensive thing I paid for, was the bumper. I will be getting rid of all of this. Everything going here, I'm stripping it. Everything is getting stripped down. Even if I'm thinking about keeping this, but I'm not really sure. But I might just take it all off. I think I'm gonna just take it all off. Everything, all the vinyls, everything except, oh yeah, the mufflers. I might put my old stuff back on, the resonators and everything back on here. Keep the tips and all that. But other than that, everything else is coming off, and I'm gonna start new. I did want to tell you guys what I was thinking about getting, but I think I'm gonna just leave it for a later video and surprise you guys and show you what I did to it. So, but for now, yeah, you guys see, if you have any questions about my car or any questions on how to get something, or the price of something, how to install anything, just hit me up, man. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know, and I'll talk back. That's the conclusion of this video. Oh yeah, also, oh yeah, before I forget, I want to tell you guys, I might be having some merch coming out, some Mopar merch, man, for you Mopar guys. Currently in a phase of designing it still. I just wanted some Mopar like gear, not anything personal involving my channel, just something Mopar, man. So all my Mopar people that follow me will be able to rock it out, man, with some nice little gear, man. I got some good ideas on shirt designs, hoodie designs. So y'all stay tuned for that. There we go. Dodge Charger 2019 GT. We out.